as well as the other players, Adelieta, Medina, Zibek, and of course will be the kickoff. Nepal in their regular red and Kyrgyzstan will be in their white. This is Vianet International Women's Championship. And our commercial and strategic partner is
Faina, Medina and Zibek, which means
plays in Abu Dhabi Country Club. She's one of the prominent players of Nepal. Sabitra Bhandari Samba is on the bench as she just arrived today. And she will be unavailable most probably tournament with an average age of 18 years.
well, enough. Not only that, they have the youngest squad in terms of the appearances as well. It's the captain Dilnuda who has the most appearances for the country, and it's 6 times. That's the 7th match. She will be starting for her nation. Zibek, who has slight experience. We're the first team to arrive here at Nepal.
Talking about the last 3 games, Kyrgyzstan, they've only won once against the Korea DPR. And after that, they had consecutive losses against Qatar in 10th of October. Now Nepal go forward. This is Rashmi screening the ball. The latest match Kyrgyz Republic played was against Uzbekistan, where they got defeated 3-2 in the AWC Championship.
Kyrgyzstan didn't have the better of the result as they went on to concede 9 goals in the 2 fixtures that they played against India. For Myanmar impressing every home spectators here at Dassault Stadium. Lebanon looked formidable in the first half. Yeah, it's a mighty task for these 2 nations.
Nepal, they're coming forward from the right-hand side. Sabita Ranamagar, who was named the MVP of the recently organized league, that was the A-Division League of Women's. She was named the MVP of the tournament with an outstanding display for her team, APF FC. We have majority of the players who are playing for APF FC. As we can see, Geeta as well as her centre-back partner, Nisha Thokar. Preeti going around the defender. Preeti, that was a good tackle. Preeti still there. Preeti Rai trying to regain the possession. And throwing there, Preeti Rai. She's 20 years old, played for... And that's why she's the most important player, as well as the captain of the team.
The precision to keep the shot on target, but the first real test for Dilnuda, the skipper of Kyrgyzstan. Well, Nepal back again on the attack. Renuka not finding the appropriate pass that she wanted to have. Well, Tatiana just lifted up.
Tries to clear it. It's Rashmi turning with the ball. Trying to find Rekha. Good control there. Rekha still there. This can be a chance. Rashmi is free there. And that is a shot. And that is missed there by Sabita. Rekha Bodale went for the kill. She could have opted to pass for Rashmi.
Rekha took some time. There was narrowed the space. He could have gone for the assist. Sabita was lurking there. So was Rashmi. But she went for the glory. It was a very tight angle. Took from the right foot. It was a brilliant save from the Dilnuda. And Savita couldn't find the net. Taken with the right foot. Just managed to miss the frame by a mere side of inch.
That was one of the most important chances Nepal got. Now it's Renuka trying to find her teammate Bimala, one of the new coming players in this starting lineup. This is Renuka, the skipper. Or the former skipper, we can see, as Anjila is the captain of the team now. Renuka. It's Pooja. 8 minutes gone. Nepal have the upper hand. Fumbling is Geeta. Very uncharacteristically so. Geeta Rana. Bimala. She was one of the best players in the South Women's Championship last time. And she filled up the void left by Hira in the left back position. Now it's Sabita. Still Sabita trying to show her pace. Sabita goes past the defender, across, a header, and that is the very first goal. Bimala Chaudhary. Ecstasy here for the Nepali faithful as they cheer up for the first goal of the Vianet International Women's Championship. This is the first Vianet goal of the game.
What a cross it was to the far post from Savita Ranamagar. A very well-timed header. No pressure whatsoever. Update the far post and managed to put the ball to the... What a way to announce herself in this fixture.
He gets the ball. Still going forward. Rashmi. Pooja. Trying to find her teammate. That is Bimala with the cross this time inside the box. Preeti flicks it in. Sabita trying to gather the ball. Preeti! Sabita comes in the way. She's not happy with her teammate. She was going to fire one missile of a shot.
Well, Savita has been given an acre of space. And no pressure at the Kyrgyzstan half. There's no doubt on that. The spaces that the Nepalese players are getting. There's an acre of space just to move with the ball and off the ball. The intent that the Kyrgyzstan player had at the beginning of this match slightly diminished with the first goal that they conceded.
It was Rashmi. It's going to be Sabita with a cutback. Still there's a chance, a cross being put in. Rekha was there to capitalize on it, but she couldn't get her feet on the ball. Nepal have in their heart of the midfield. Preeti. Still going in front. Oh. You can just tell she's special. You can just tell.
Well, you need to make a count, and that's the third time.
It's Renuka. Renuka still. There's definitely talent in Rekha, but she needs to play like a team player. Renuka going forward. This is Rashmi kissing. A pass there to Sabita. Still going forward. Possession maintained. Superiority maintained in this match. 15 minutes gone. Nepal 1-0 up. Sabita with a change of pace, and she will definitely win a free kick there for Nepal.
Well, Asim clipped her right at the ease of the right. Wait, and as we're talking about the Rekha, I think that's had been the problem that she's been facing recently, as we have seen in the SAF Championship as well. The moment she takes the second touch, she narrows all the angles.
Strikers to come in. A good cross put in. Could be dangerous. Still a chance there. And a shot. A wonderful save. Bimala could have got her second. It's Renuka. Renuka with the shot this time, and that just flies above. Fully stretching was the goalkeeper, Dilnura.
Well, back-to-back save from the keeper of Kyrgyzstan Republic. Here was the first chance. It was a very good save. Bimala was denied, and then there was a rocket launch by Renuka Nagarkoti, which went on to the roof of the net, just narrowly missing the frame. Well, back-to-back effort and back-to-back good save by the keeper of...
In this battlefield, the Dasra Stadium, and the Chelis with the first blood. 1-0 up for Nepal, and Kyrgyzstan, they have to climb a hefty...
less experienced side, a couple of debutants for the team, for the side, and facing against Nepal at its own turf, it's difficult for any other team.
Bimala. Coming in is Renuka, who lost the ball. Now going in front is Tatiana Kaznetseva, and Angela having a very easy time on the field. Rajendra Tamang, former MMC legend. Renuka. Bimala with the cross, which was a dismal one.
Well, she never wanted to have that cross. But yeah, Rekha.
Chance for Bimala. A better cross this time. Could be dangerous. Ullara is just still there, the defender. Bimala trying to regain the ball. This is a throw-in in favor of Nepal. That's there.
That was a mistake from Pooja. Actually, she should have looked for her own player and given a ball. Just a simple pass would have been correct over there, because if we look at how Kyrgyzstan are playing the football match of this particular game tonight, They've not been the dominating team, so you don't have to take the pressure by yourself. You just play a simple and good football. That's what Nepal team should be doing. Then after going 1-0 up so early in the match, then that gives you some actual space to do that. But Puja, we've seen it time and again, tries to go forward alone, and that's not a good sign.
You can tell the Nepali players are getting carried away in the match. They want to stamp their impact.
We'll start building.
Rekha looking for the glory once again. Definitely the crowd is rooting for her, but she needs to get ahead on the motive. That is the win.
Definitely.
Nepal once again going in front. They are now the defending end. Anjila doing a job well. The movie Anjila will be soon on your movie screens. We are eagerly waiting for it. First of its kind. And now Kyrgyzstan, they lose the ball once again to the bright shining Preeti Rai. A pass there which was intervened. Still there's a chance for Nepal. Preeti switching it on to the right hand side. Sabita, good combination there. Rashmi with the cut back now. Communication. There's a lack of communication there. Preeti with the chance this time. Preeti with the shot. A save there by the skipper Dilnura in the first bar.
Well, Preeti had no other place but the first bar. She had to shoot it over there. Goalkeeper Dilnura, the skipper of Kyrgyzstan, was ready for that, and actually it was too tight an angle for Preeti to actually find a gap between the goalkeeper and the post.
Preeti Rai, which was not the best of the corners. Now it's Preeti. Renuka is in space. Good drop of the shoulder, trying to find Bimala. Preeti with the pass this time. Rekha trying for a back heel. An attempt for a cheeky touch couldn't be capitalized.
Where her teammates were.
Anjila. Bit of contact there. Very cautious in this approach, as you can see. What is she doing over there?
To the opponents and keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. That's the message from the coach, Rajendra.
Well, this is a league stage match and every goal counts. There might be a time it might go down to the goal scored. So it is very necessary that Nepal registers a healthy goal difference today. Preeti going in front. This is Bimala in support. It's Puja. Rekha with a good turn. Rekha with the shot. Straight into the hands of the goalkeeper. There were two options in the middle there for Rekha.
There you go. She should have shot towards the Rajendra, giving some instructions to all the players. Maybe he wants Nepal to play a little bit behind.
Which is the difference between the two teams. A blistering run there by Sabita and Bimala. The right player at the right time. And this was destiny for her as she gets the very first goal of the international scene. The game restarts as Kyrgyzstan will trying to build from the back.
Karina, and there we can see Ulara. They're under pressure from all the Nepalese.
Well, that's her game style. She plays with fierce nature.
Trying to get the ball away from Rekha or the front line of the Nepali team, and it
is Gulniza Anarbikova.
Kanatbikova. The field, that could be a chance for Kyrgyzstan, but that was a wrong pass actually. If she could have, Tatiana could have laid the ball on the right hand side to the attacker, that could have just created some kind of chance, because they have not yet have had a shot on target.
Now this is another opportunity for Nepal to go up front. Midfielder Renuka, Sabita. As you can see, It's a patient game. They're trying to find the momentum once again. An opportunity for the tall players of Nepal to get into the penalty box. The D-box, known for her good crosses. Good cross was not there this time.
Well, actually, Nepal's dead ball situations and the deliveries have been disappointing. Either it be a corner kick or a free kick. This was just nowhere. It was going nowhere. And Nepal had such a good start in the match, but they have faded away. And the passes have been hardly coming in. All the dangerous situations, they've been losing the ball in the midfield as well. But here, we might just have another chance.
Rekha with the shot, and that just went wide. She couldn't connect with the ball properly. Perhaps it was the weak foot she couldn't use. It's a Bayonet International Women's Championship. Now we will of this event is Brand Logic, as well as the broadcast partner Kantipur Max HD, which you're watching it from YouTube channel. Since they have been brilliant, both of the captains, but from France to Nepal, she lands at the heart of the country, into the hearts of the nation. The very known, the very famous, and the very loved Sabitra Bhandari Samba reuniting with her faithful fans, and this will be a happy homecoming. The number 9, the fierceful lioness that she is, Samba Bhandari, welcome back to your homeland.
The stadium erupts. The nation erupts. Her teammates now in a confident mood. Sabitra Samba Bhandari is back in Dasrat Stadium. The queen of Nepali football. There she is, the number 9. Here we begin the second half of Bayonet Women's Championship Football Tournament. Nepal, Nisha Thokar and Pooja Rana. And now Preeti will have some time in the ball, especially in the midfield, as Nepal will be playing 5 in midfield this time around. So if Nepal dominates the midfield players, then maybe we get a clear-cut chance in the goal, and maybe we can come up with more goals.
Kyrgyzstan trying to find an opportunity. Pooja with a switch this time. Rekha trying for the ball. It will be a throw-in.
A shoulder push, but the referee judges it as a foul. Pooja over there.
Kyrgyzstan team, you could tell that she is the most experienced player. Gita is not happy.
Well, they're getting in the second half. They have actually covered all those loopholes and frustrated the top players of Nepal. And Nepal have not been able to come up with goods.
Sabitra Samba Bhandari, she's looking for that impact. Her introduction to her faithful. 62 minutes gone. There is still time to make that impact. And what a crowd it is today at the Dasrat Stadium. Always there for their beloved players, always in support, always in full voice. And there is a good attendance, as you can tell, in the Dasrat Stadium today.
Well, then Nepal again had a chance with this one. Rasmi kissing. Sabitra again. Rekha just rebounded off her feet. Nepal trying way too hard, but still not being able to find the second goal of the match.
The best chance fell on to Sabita Rana Magar, and she just scuffed it. Got in the match, and she does her job well.
Here was a chance. Here was the counter attack. And if had not Angela made that particular move so early, so bravely, it could have been 1-1 in this match. A good save from Angela.
There's a reason there's an armband in that arm. Anjila Tumba Pasumba, super. The number 16.
The aspect for Nepal, they are lacking upper part of the pitch and not being so clinical too.
A good turn by Rashmi. Sabitra goes in front. Sabitra still there, Nepal. Samba could have got another. Looking for a corner kick, and she doesn't get one.
Well, it looked like they'll look.
Kapiep, captain of the APF FC team, brilliant in set pieces, and will be replacing the jersey number 17 of Nepal. That is Bimala Chaudhary. So perhaps Anita will be on the left, or will go with the free kick. Movement inside the box. A good cross put in, and that is squandered there by the goalkeeper. Sabita still. Rekha tidying up for another opportunity. Nepal. A shot being put in, which was very, very dismal there by Geeta.
Well,
52% is the possession. Geeta with the cross this time. Still there's a chance. The ball was lost amidst the crowd, and this is another throw-in for Nepal.
well, as soon as the red jersey is found in the D box, the white jersey just. Bank has not been so productive despite the first goal coming from the right side. The cross that Savita Ranamagar had put on for Bimala Chaudhary to head away for a first goal. But apart from those attacks, it's not been dividend. It's not paying dividend for Nepal.
Preeti. Sabitra Vandari. That was another miscalculated judgment now. Pooja approaching from the left flank. It's Sabita Ranamagar. Pooja, Renuka, that is Preeti in the midfield. Oh, she loses her foot. Going in front is from the left, Rekha with a cross. Certainly not a day for Rekha Paudel.
Yeah, not the expectation that the spectators live up to the performance.
Goparova. 21 shots against 1. Well, you don't see that.
All the way now, Kyrgyzstan really want to hold on to this scoreline.
Anu Vasnich, she's a set-piece expert, known for her high-flying corner.